Welcome to DevHub, the platform used by just over 179 plus brands and or their marketing agencies. Companies use us to build a lot of experiences. Today we're talking about local experience, and specifically local, or what are known as store pages. If you're a multi-location brand, a retailer, an agency working with a brand that has a lot of locations, and you have not spun up store pages, or you've spun up store pages but they just suck to manage, we got your back. Those store pages are legitimately the digital front door to your brand. Whatever the customer, however they got there, whatever traffic source they got there from, whether that was SEO, whether that was paid search, whether that was a social campaign, whether that was a referral from a friend, whether that was a mobile search, and they're looking for directions, they're looking to order from your site, they're looking to book an appointment, they're looking for a phone number, they're looking to purchase product. All of that is powered by DevHub's local experience. Get that? The local experience, a bunch of local sites for a multi-location brand, retailer, whatever, just a lot of locations. Whatever needs to be on those pages, the look and feel, the security, the inventory, the action the customer needs to take can be done using the DevHub platform. I wanted to create this video to put that out there because local experience is becoming hot, really hot. We know we've built over 1.9 million sites, landing pages, store pages, whatever you want to call it, here at devhub.com.